Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can mount an old vintage lens onto a new Fujifilm camera. I will be using a Fujifilm XA3 to show you this, so it might be slightly different across all Fujifilm models. To start off with, you're going to have to find a vintage lens to use. You can find them anywhere from op shops or thrift shops to eBay. Once you've found a lens, you should try to find an adapter to connect your lens to your camera. You can find them in some camera shops or online at Amazon or eBay. I have some old Yashica lenses, so I'm going to be using a Yashica to Fujifilm X Mount adapter. Once you've bought an adapter for your lens, screw the adapter and lens onto the camera. Now you have to change a few settings in the camera. The first setting you're going to have to change is shoot without lens, which you'll have to turn to on. The second setting you are going to have to change is AF plus MF under autofocus setting, which you will have to set to on. You may also want to change the mount adapter settings to suit the lens that is being fitted on. You're now ready to go take photos. I took this photo of my dog with my vintage Yashica 50mm lens. If you take any cool photos, be sure to DM me or tag me on Instagram with one of your photos. If this video helped, please consider liking and subscribing and follow my Instagram, which is in the description.